An Accra High Court has assured it will at all times be guided by the timelines to ensure preparations for the 2016 general elections are not disrupted. Justice Eric Chebafo gave the assurance during the hearing of a motion for abridgment in the suit seeking judicial review of the decision to disqualify the presidential aspirant of the PPP. Justice Chebafo issued a strong order to the lawyers of both the EC and presidential aspirant of the Progressive People's Party to file their statements of case simultaneously. Now, the court further ordered that the filing be done by Monday, October 24 and return Tuesday, October 25 to make a voca oral submission, after which the date will be set for the ruling of the court. So in your short is from the Accra High Court, where the court has assured that at all time it will be guided by timelines to ensure preparations for the 2016 general elections are not disrupted. Justice Eric Chebafo gave the assurance during the hearing of the motion for the abridgment in the suit seeking judicial review of the decision to disqualify presidential aspirants of the PPP. Justice Chebafo issued a strong order to lawyers of both the EC and the presidential aspirant of the Progressive People's Party to file their statement of case simultaneously. The court further ordered the filing be done Monday, October 24 and return Tuesday, October 25 to make vocal oral submission, after which the date will be set for the ruling in court. Now, I've been joined in the studio by my colleague Salom Menya, who's been following this story closely. Hello, Salom.
Hello, Wendy.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now, what's the latest on the PPP court case?
Well, in court today, the lawyer for the EC, Thaddeus Sori, moved the motion for abridgment. And when he moved the motion, it was not opposed by the counsel for the Papa Kwesindum, that's the flag bearer of the PPP, that is Na Jama Ayikwe Otu. And so the motion was actually granted. And in doing that, Justice Chebafo, who happened to be presiding over the case, said that time was of a huge essence. So it was very necessary that the parties involved, that's the lawyers, ensure that they file their submission of case for on Monday, that is the 24th of October, and then come back to court the following day, that's Tuesday, and then he's going to listen to them, hear their submissions, that's oral submissions, and after which he's going to give a date for the ruling. And there was one thing that also happened in court, that counsel for Papa Kwesindum, that's Najama Ayikwe Otu, wanted some leave in order to amend the affidavit they put in court. And that was to take away, struck out, that is ground 3 of the writ that they put in court. And also they wanted some paragraphs of the response from the Electoral Commission. And then what we realized is that those paragraphs were talking about the 5-minute meeting that Papa Kwesindum had with the chair of the Electoral Commission. And when you look at it in a way, it looked as if the applicant admitted that there were some mistakes. And I believe that that could have been used against them so far as the ruling was concerned. That is why they wanted to ensure that those places or those paragraphs were struck out. And the abridgment in this case? Yes, the abridgment was to ensure that they are able to adhere to the timelines. So CI 47, we look at the CI 47 of the High Court rules, it talks about timelines. And that is what they've done, so that they could be able to ensure that the case is heard within time. And the judge was emphatic that the ruling will be coming next week. But one other thing that also happened was party supporters who took to the streets of the High Court, the new court complex. They took to the streets, and we are told that they were going to walk all the way to their party headquarters.
All right, well, thank you very much, Selom Amenya. He's our reporter who's been following the PPP court case. We'll bring you some more updates as and when.